Okay. Whew. This level could be so good. It could be so good if it wasn't for 14% mainly. There are a couple other things, smaller choke points, like 48, I think 16, it's like a blue orb double click, and 37 also is pretty bad. But 14 mainly is just so bad. I really didn't enjoy dying there. And yeah, it didn't make any sense. It felt like rolling dice. But yeah, no, besides that, I think the first cube is kind of like okay. The black part of the cube. That part's kind of just okay. It has some cool combinations. And then you get to the second cube, the white cube, which I think is up to like 34. It's honestly great. The double clicks feel very, very fun. And it's also pretty consistent. I think it's a very cool part. It looks very cool. Then from 34 to the drop, there are some just like weird, you have to click the orb so weirdly. I don't really like it. But then from drop to 100, except for 48, which is just a little bit of a choke point, which is unfortunate. The gameplay is so much fun. It's very consistent. I think one thing I wish is that you could see the gameplay better, but I think it's like if you play on the LDM, you can see everything perfectly fine. But yeah, no, from drop to 100, the gameplay is super fun, super consistent. The atmosphere is really awesome in the level, and it's honestly great. But I think because of 14% alone, it's gonna bring down my enjoyment by so much, and like it's just unfortunate because this level could be so good. But yeah, that's about it. So GG.